Hello everyone, welcome to the journey of Fellerman. হ্যাপি ঈদ উল ফিতর। সবাইকে ঈদের শুভেচ্ছা জানাচ্ছি। আজকে আমরা সবাই ঈদে ঘুরতে যাচ্ছি। টুডে উই আর গোয়িং টু সেলিব্রেট দিস ঈদ উল ফিতর। ইউ ক্যান সি দিস ইজ মাই অনারেবল ইয়ঙ্গার ব্রাদার। His name is Arman Mondol. He is so good boy. And you can see this corner, yellow color. He is a driver. And also you can see white color t-shirt. He is my another younger brother. And this corner side, my uncle, lovely uncle. He is so smart, very smart boy. And right now we are stay in the traffic jam. You can see, you can stay on the traffic jam. And right now my friend wear the sunglass because he look not good. For this reason he wear this sunglass, and right now he look so handsome. Look so handsome. And right now we are going to Malia for buy some essential goods. And then after buying our essential goods, then we are going towards the sea. And also you can see this is the Kuwait city. Many people, you can see another brother in this car. He told me I am a crazy. Okay, you can see another brother. We are celebrating this festival. Okay, my dear lovely audience, thank you so much.